When it comes to creating a home that's both comfortable and cost-effective, insulation plays a crucial role. It serves as the backbone of a well-maintained household, ensuring that your living space remains a sanctuary from the outside world. It's like wrapping your house in a cozy blanket, protecting it from the elements and keeping your family comfortable year-round. This protective layer not only shields you from the harshness of winter, but also keeps the sweltering summer heat at bay. Proper insulation is an investment that pays off in countless ways. It enhances the overall efficiency of your home, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems, and ultimately extending their lifespan. It's about more than just staying warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It's about maintaining a consistent indoor climate that contributes to your family's well-being and comfort. It's about creating a healthier, more sustainable, and ultimately more enjoyable living environment. Proper insulation helps in reducing the presence of allergens and pollutants, making your home a safer place to live. From reducing energy bills to minimizing noise pollution, the benefits of proper insulation are numerous and far-reaching. Lower energy consumption translates to significant savings over time, and a quieter home environment enhances your quality of life. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, understanding the importance of insulation is essential. It's a key factor in achieving energy efficiency and sustainability in modern living. Join me as we delve into the world of insulation and discover how this often overlooked aspect of home construction can make a world of difference in your daily life. From choosing the right materials to understanding installation techniques, we'll cover everything you need to know to make informed decisions for your home. Insulation acts as a barrier, creating a protective layer within the walls of your home. It works by slowing down the transfer of heat, which is crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Heat naturally flows from warmer areas to cooler ones, a process that can significantly affect your home's temperature. In the winter, heat tries to escape your warm home to the cold outdoors, making it harder to keep your living spaces cozy. Insulation helps keep the warm air inside, reducing the need for constant heating and saving energy. During the summer, the opposite occurs. The heat from outside tries to invade your cool home. Insulation acts as a shield, preventing that heat from penetrating your living spaces and keeping your home cool. This barrier is essential for maintaining a stable indoor climate, regardless of the season. Different types of insulation use different materials and methods to achieve this. Each type is designed to address specific needs and conditions. Some common types include fiberglass, cellulose, foam, and mineral wool. Each has unique properties that make it suitable for different applications. Each type has its own pros and cons, making it important to choose the right insulation for your specific needs and climate. For instance, fiberglass is often praised for its affordability and ease of installation, while foam offers superior air-sealing properties. Cellulose is an eco-friendly option, and mineral wool is known for its fire resistance. Understanding these differences can help you make an informed decision that enhances your home's energy efficiency and comfort. One of the most significant benefits of proper insulation is increased energy efficiency. By reducing heat transfer, insulation helps your heating and cooling systems work more efficiently. This translates into lower energy consumption and reduced utility bills. When your home is well insulated, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature. This means less energy is wasted, saving you money and reducing your carbon footprint. Improved energy efficiency also contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. By consuming less energy, you're reducing your impact on the environment and helping to conserve valuable resources. The financial benefits of proper insulation extend beyond just lower energy bills. A well-insulated home is more appealing to potential buyers, increasing its resale value. In today's market, energy efficiency is a top priority for many home buyers. When you invest in proper insulation, you're not only improving your own comfort and savings, but also making your home a more attractive and valuable asset. The initial cost of insulation is quickly offset by the long-term savings on energy bills and the increased value it adds to your property. Section 5. Comfort and insulation, a winning combination. Beyond the financial advantages, proper insulation greatly enhances the comfort of your home. It helps maintain a consistent temperature throughout, eliminating hot and cold spots. Drafts are a common problem in poorly insulated homes, creating an uncomfortable and drafty environment. Insulation helps seal up cracks and gaps, reducing drafts and creating a more comfortable living space. Imagine enjoying a cozy evening in your living room without feeling cold drafts or having to constantly adjust the thermostat. Insulation makes this level of comfort achievable, creating a more inviting and enjoyable home environment. Section 6. Soundproofing, creating a peaceful haven. In our increasingly noisy world, finding peace and quiet at home is more important than ever. Insulation plays a vital role in reducing noise pollution, creating a more serene and tranquil living environment. Insulation acts as a sound barrier, absorbing and dampening sound waves. This is especially beneficial if you live in a noisy neighborhood, near a busy street, or have noisy neighbors. Whether you're looking to create a quiet home office, enjoy a peaceful night's sleep, or simply reduce the stress of everyday noise, insulation can make a significant difference. Section 7. Environmental impact, building a greener future. As we become more aware of our impact on the environment, it's essential to consider the sustainability of our homes. Proper insulation plays a crucial role in reducing our carbon footprint and creating a more eco-friendly living environment. By reducing energy consumption, insulation helps decrease greenhouse gas emissions associated with electricity generation. This contributes to a healthier planet and a more sustainable future. Choosing environmentally friendly insulation materials, such as recycled denim or cellulose, can further enhance the sustainability of your home. These materials offer excellent insulation properties while minimizing their environmental impact. Section 8. Choosing the right insulation. Finding the perfect fit. With so many types of insulation available, selecting the right one for your home can seem overwhelming. Each type has its own set of benefits and drawbacks, making the decision even more complex. Factors to consider include your climate, budget, and the specific areas of your home you want to insulate. For instance, homes in colder climates may benefit from insulation with a higher R value, while those in milder climates might prioritize cost-effectiveness. Fiberglass insulation, a popular and affordable option, comes in bats or loose fill form. It's easy to install and provides good thermal performance, making it a common choice for many homeowners. Cellulose insulation, made from recycled paper products, is another eco-friendly choice. It not only helps reduce waste, but also offers good thermal and sound insulation properties. Spray foam insulation, known for its high R value, effectively seals cracks and gaps. This type of insulation expands to fill spaces, providing an airtight seal that can significantly improve energy efficiency. Mineral wool insulation, made from natural materials, offers excellent fire resistance. It's also resistant to mold and mildew, making it a durable option for various parts of your home. Consulting with a qualified insulation professional can help you determine the best type of insulation for your specific needs and ensure proper installation. They can provide insights into the latest insulation technologies and help you make an informed decision that balances performance, cost, and environmental impact. Section 9. Installation. Professional expertise matters. While some insulation projects can be tackled by experienced DIYers, it's generally recommended to hire a professional insulation contractor. Proper installation is crucial for maximizing the effectiveness of your insulation. A qualified contractor has the knowledge, experience, and specialized equipment to ensure proper insulation levels, air sealing, and moisture control. They can also identify and address any potential issues, such as moisture problems or inadequate ventilation. Attempting to install insulation yourself without the necessary expertise can lead to problems down the road, such as reduced effectiveness, moisture damage, or even health hazards. Section 10. Maintenance and longevity, ensuring lasting performance. Once your home is properly insulated, it's important to maintain its performance over time. Regular inspections can help identify any potential issues, such as moisture intrusion or settling insulation. Check your attic insulation periodically for signs of moisture, pests, or compression. Inspect crawl spaces and basements for any signs of water damage or insulation deterioration. Proper ventilation is crucial for preventing moisture buildup, which can reduce the effectiveness of insulation and lead to mold growth. Ensure your attic, crawl spaces, and other areas are adequately ventilated. Section 11. Conclusion. Investing in a better home and a brighter future. Proper insulation is an investment that pays off in countless ways. From increased energy efficiency and financial savings to enhanced comfort, soundproofing, and environmental sustainability, the benefits are numerous and far-reaching. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, make insulation a top priority. Consult with a qualified professional to determine the best type of insulation for your needs and ensure proper installation. By investing in proper insulation, you're not only creating a more comfortable and efficient home, but also contributing to a more sustainable future for generations to come.